Okay, now let's solve this question. Now we have something like this. AB, this is AB, and CD, this is CD. They are diameters. So we have diameters here, which means that the O here, this point O is the center. Yes, very good. Now we have to look for ABD. ABD. Now what is ABD? AD. ABD. So ABD is this side. Let me use M to represent ABD. Let me use M to represent ABD. Yes. Now, so this one is very simple. Now, since this is the center of a circle, this one becomes a radius. This one also becomes a radius. So it forms isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle, this side and this side are the same. So it means that here is also M. Very simple. Now we have so many ways you can solve, but I'm going to use the simplest method. I'm not going to use any property. Now let's look at this one. You remember isosceles triangle? When one side is extended, a stereo angle here. If this side is A and this side is B, and here is M, then the exterior angle M is equal to the sum of the two adjacent interior angles. So the same as A plus what? B. It is very simple. It's very simple. Now when you look at this one here, it is the same thing. We have this one and this. This side is D, this one is B, and this one is C. This side is 70. Here is M, here is also M. So I can say that this 70 is the same as M plus M. Then we are done. This 70 is the same as M plus. So the 70 is the same as here plus here, because the 70 is an exterior angle. So we have so many ways we can solve. So I can say that the M plus M is equal to 70. 2M is equal to 70. So M is equal to 70 divided by 2. M is equal to 35 degrees. Now this is a very simple way we can solve. So we can conclude that the ABD is 35 degrees. Another way we can solve this one. ABD is equal to 35 degrees. Now another way we can solve this one. The answer is 35. Now another way we can solve this one, since here is 70, then I can talk about angles on a straight line. Angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So I can solve for this side, which means here plus here is supposed to give us 180 degrees. So subtract 70 from 180 degrees. It means here will be 110. 110. Now since this side is 110, then I'm going to say that here plus here plus here is supposed to give us 180 degrees because it forms a triangle. Sum of interior angle of a triangle is 118 degrees. So it means M plus 110 is equal to 180 degrees. So we have 2M is equal to 180 degrees minus 110. 2M is equal to subtract 70. M will give us 70 divided by 2. M is equal to 35 degrees. So this is very simple, right? So it means that we can conclude that our angle ABD is equal to 35 degrees. Make sure you subscribe to. I've taught you two methods. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. See you another time. Bye bye.